नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द फिटनेस वर्ल्ड ऑफ योगा से ही होगा with Yogini Santosh Chaudhary, who believes in spreading fitness and happiness in and around the whole world. Shoulder problem, no problem. We can sort out each and every part of your body's problem in just one go with yoga se hi hoga. Everything is possible, friends, with yoga. Because yoga works right from your toes to head and stimulates each and every part of your body, healing with your own breath. I keep telling you every time, yoga is discipline, it's a science. Yoga works right from your toes to head to toe completely, stimulating each and every part of your body and healing your body parts with your own breath. Heal yourself using your own breath in the right form. आज हम प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे, शोल्डर प्रॉब्लम्स को। शोल्डर्स में बहुत लोगों को सर्वाइकल का प्रॉब्लम होता है, किस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। किसी को वर्टिगो का प्रॉब्लम होता है, किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा शोल्डर्स पेन, फ्रोजन शोल्डर्स, शोल्डर पेन्स, दे कांट इवन मूव देयर शोल्डर्स लाइक दिस. So how to come out of it in a very simple way which can be done by everybody. It's a very simple technique but very effective one. खड़े होके सब लोग कर सकते हैं, खड़े होके हम इसको करेंगे एंड देखिए आप कैसे वापस आ सकते हैं अपनी शोल्डर प्रॉब्लम से इन जस्ट 5 minutes. खड़े हो जाएंगे दिस वे. Stand straight first. Always take care. Whenever you are standing, your body posture should be perfect. It should not be dipped. It has to be chest open, stomach completely tucked in, both these shoulders on your side like this. सबसे पहले एक चीज का ध्यान रखें, अगर किसी को भी सर्वाइकल का प्रॉब्लम है तो आप गर्दन को पूरी तरह से ऐसे नहीं घुमाएंगे. ऐसे कोई लोग ऐसे घुमाते हैं विच इज वेरी रॉन्ग. वो उसको पोस्चर पूरी तरह से रॉन्ग है. इसको कैसे किया जाता है, आप दोनों हाथों को आप साइड में भी रख सकते हैं. सबसे पहले गर्दन मोमेंट्स, नेक मोमेंट्स, हाउ टू डू इट व्हेन यू हैव गॉट एनी सर्वाइकल प्रॉब्लम और एनी फ्रोजन शोल्डर प्रॉब्लम और एनी शोल्डर रिलेटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. लॉक योर चिन एंड पूरी तरह से ऐसे धीरे लेके जाएंगे इसको. टेक इट टुवर्ड्स योर राइट, स्टॉप इट हियर and then again anti-clockwise. धीरे again go very slow. Inhale up and now take it towards your inhale करते हुए up and exhale, lock your chin and slowly come back. Relax. This was the first technique. Second, taking care of your neck muscles. कोई लोग क्या करते हैं, वो बिल्कुल भी करना बंद कर देते हैं, which is not correct. Because you are not going to stimulate your neck muscles otherwise. There is a lot of technique to do it. Do it with technique. Come out with your problems. Now, lock your chin. ज़्यादा lock नहीं करना है, पूरी तरह से नीचे नहीं देखना है आपको. Just lock it and take it towards your left. इससे आपका डबल चिन भी ठीक हो जाएगा और neck problem, shoulders also. Look towards your left side extremely. धीरे slowly come back and now take it towards your right side. Look up and slowly come down and now inhale up and go back and one time exhale down and clockwise and anti-clockwise. Rub your palms and massage your neck. You can do this one set, one time and second time. Then the sore shoulder problem comes. Stimulating your upper part of your body. Stretch your hands in your front. Always keep elbow straight, shoulder loose. Open your fingers like this. This way. Try to join your thumb together now. And pull your fingers in. Hold your breath. Now keep opening your fingers as much as possible. And hold till 5 counts. Then bring them down and pull your fingers in without bending your elbows. Take them up 5 counts. Take it towards your right side now. This way. Hold 5 times and bring it down now. Elbow straight, shoulder loose. Then rotate. try to join your middle finger in this way. Open your fingers and now rotate. 1, in, 2, in, 3, in. Do every repetition minimum 5 counts, 3 sets, and slowly come back. Make a fist out of your hands and rotate. बहुत simple है ये, but it is very very effective. Try it out. You'll never have any loose arms and shoulder problems, elbow problems, and किसी किसी को Parkinson का problem हो जाता है. You can come out of that completely and loosen up completely and relax. Now fold your elbows and rotate like this. 2. Keep opening them. 3, 4 and 5. Now reverse. 5, 4. Bring them in the center. This way. Interlock your fingers. Stretch them. Bring it in now and reverse. Bring it in now and opposite. Bring it in now and reverse. And slowly come back. Open them up. Open your chest completely now. Join your elbows. Open and close. 1, 2 and 3. Repeat this 5 times, minimum 4 and 5. Now, without opening, just rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse. 5. You can come out with your shoulder problems. Your chest will be completely firm and your shoulder problems can be sorted out, keeping your complete spine straight. And slowly come back and relax. You can work on your biceps and triceps without using any machinery. Hold your shoulder blades now. Join your elbows and rotate. Inhale up, exhale, join them. Inhale up, exhale, join them. Inhale up and exhale, join. Reverse now. Inhale up, exhale, join them. Inhale up, exhale, join them. And open and close. 1, 2, spine straight. 3, 4 and 5. Take it up and down now. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back and relax and rotate your shoulder blades. 2 and do this minimum 5 minutes every day, and whatever I taught you, practice each and every practice minimum 10 counts and rotate. And just see how your shoulders are completely tension free, how your biceps and triceps are completely firm without using weight training. You don't need to lift up any of the weights, you don't need to do any weight training, and you remain fit forever, ever, ever and ever. Stay tuned with us, stay connected, keep practicing and learn each and every technique from us, because we are there to spread fitness and happiness around the world. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी आप सबका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए and joining hands with us in spreading fitness and happiness in and around the whole world. Thank you so very much. योगिनी संतोष चौधरी, इंटरनेशनल योगा ट्रेनर. आप लोगों का हमें इंतज़ार रहेगा संडे International Yoga Day 21st June. Don't forget to join us and benefit out of yoga 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We'll keep updating you about it. I want you to bring all your friends to benefit out of yoga, practice with us and join hands with us. आप लोग वीडियोस को शेयर करते रहिए and join hands in us spreading fitness and happiness in and around the whole world. स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो एंड व्यस्त रहो, हमारे साथ जुड़े रहो, योगा से ही होगा. Keep smiling, keep shining, stay tuned, see you.